In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a HubSpot website in 2024 using 3 different methods. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide is designed to walk you through each essential step in creating your own website on this fantastic platform. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, open your browser and head over to HubSpot's homepage. HubSpot offers a range of robust software and tools designed to enhance your business's efficiency. Once you're there, locate the login button, typically found in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Logging in will give you access to all the features you'll need to start building your site. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up to access HubSpot's services. After logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home dashboard. This will be the central hub from where you can manage all your activities. Now, to start building your website, look for the content option, usually found on your dashboard's navigation menu. Clicking on this will drop down several content creation tools available to you. Select website pages from the drop down list. This option allows you to manage and create new web pages that will form the backbone of your website. Upon reaching the website pages section, direct your attention to the create button. This is your launchpad for beginning new designs and adding fresh content to your site. Once you click create, you'll be prompted to choose from various templates. Templates are pre-designed layouts that can be customized to fit your specific needs, saving you time and helping maintain a consistent look across your website. Now let's click on select template. HubSpot offers a variety of templates tailored for different purposes such as landing pages, blog layouts, and service pages. Choosing the right template is crucial as it provides the structure for your site's content and influences user experience. Spend a moment exploring the options and select the one that best aligns with your brand and objectives. Overall, building a website on HubSpot is a highly intuitive process. The platform's user-friendly interface and the step-by-step guide we just walked through make it accessible for everyone, from beginners to experienced web developers. Thanks to these powerful tools and steps, you're now well on your way to having a polished, professional HubSpot website that can effectively support your business goals. Remember, once your site is live, maintaining and updating your content regularly is key to keeping your audience engaged. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to add new pages or make adjustments. Thank you for following along, and happy website building.